Hello and welcome to my Watch Reviews. My name's Mike.
And I'm Eva.
Eva's my lovely daughter and she's going to be announcing the winner. This latest giveaway on the channel, which is of this San Martin watch. That is the climbing series with the enamel dial and the gilt hands. So some of you might be a little bit puzzled because you didn't know there was a giveaway, and I have to confess that I've been a little bit devious in how I was doing this giveaway. The last video that I did, the trilogy video of the San Martin watches, I posted in the last minute of that video that I was going to give away this particular watch, and all you had to do was go back and write a comment on my very first video on the channel and put in it to win it. So it's a bit devious. The way I did that, I thought if anybody is watching to the very end, then they've watched the whole video for a start. They clearly like the channel, they're a fan of the channel, and I'd like to make sure this watch goes to the right person. Because in the first ever giveaway I did on the channel, I got lots of new subscribers because of that, but then the moment I did the announcement, a lot of subscribers suddenly disappeared. So some people I think just join for the giveaway and then go away. And this is such a nice watch, I want it to go to the right person. So you've got to be in it to win it. And we have all of the names in this bowl.
Way less than last time.
There is way less than last time. Last time I think there was 300 plus from memory. Now we have around 75. So these are 75 of my most devoted fans of the channel, I hope.
Or they're my fans.
They could be your fans. They may have seen you on the last video and thought, you know what, that's the person to follow. Forget him, he's old.
I'm only 10, so...
You're only 10 and you haven't got a watch on. But you do own a few watches, don't you?
I think I did own a few watches.
You still own a few watches, you never wears them.
I don't know what they are.
Typical youngster.
I don't know what they are either.
I still want to get her a Casio F91W in bright orange or bright yellow or something.
I don't know what that is.
It's a classic digital watch, so you don't have to look at the hands and work it out. It'd be perfect for you.
Why not my Fitbit?
No, not your Fitbit. No.
No, my Fitbit's nice stuff.
Well, yes, but it's never charged up. Anyway, right. So the names are in there. There's about 75 names, and we've cut them up and folded them up. And Eva is now going to pick the winner.
Yay!
So good luck. Do you want me to hold it?
Yes.
I'm nervous. So give him a good old mix around. Mixeroo. Is it going to be you? This is a great watch to win, I have to
Probably
say.
not.
Not you. No. Just remember that when I die, all of my watches are coming in your direction.
And they're coming in
And
the
I don't know-
fans' direction because I'm going to sell them.
I don't know what you're going to do with them. Let's hope I live a very long time.
This
eh?
one.
So that is the winning ticket.
Let's see.
See if we can read the name.
Sidewalk Astronomy!
Oh, you are Sidewalk Astronomy! Get in! Now then, this guy, I'm really pleased because you, sir, comment on all of my videos on both channels and you go back and watch them and watch them and watch them, and what a well-deserved winner you are. So, Sidewalk Astronomy, you need to contact me on the email in the description. It's mikeswatchreviews@gmail.com. Send me an email and we'll discuss getting this one posted off to you. Fantastic, well done, Eva. A very deserving winner, and I'm really pleased.
This is yours.
It is you. That is yours. That's right.
Yeah, we just have it for some reason.
So, commiserations to everybody else. Really sorry.
I know.
There will be more giveaways as the channel progresses. So perhaps we'll do, for a bit of fun, a few shout-outs.
These are my sheep. They deserve a shout
The
out.
sheep deserve. Eva's really into sheep, so she has.
Subscribe to Sandy Brock.
If you like sheep, you can subscribe to Sandy Brook. So I'm going to do a couple of call-outs. Let's see if we can read your names. So,
Scott Waldy.
Scott Waldy, how you doing, mate? Thanks for being here in the channel. You got two?
Oh. P.
PKUK.
Here you go.
Our English is atrocious. Other languages
No,
even
I
worse.
speak English. Julian
Morgan. Julian Morgan.
There you go.
As you can see, we've rehearsed this.
Eric T.
Eric T. There are some great names in here. One I think we need to announce, because we even know his name without going in here.
I love
That's Barastic
Barastic
Time.
is back.
He was in there last time. You definitely get another shout out. He's back for more Barastic Time. We got Eric P. Hello, Eric P.
Also, Barney Owl.
Barney Owl. Yeah, Barney Owl. Yes, brilliant. We like Barney Owl, don't we?
Please show Barney Owl.
Have you got Barney Owl?
No.
No.
Donk.
Oh, donk.
Donk.
Yes. We did have fun reading all your names. That's Ian Ungar. Hello, Ian.
This person.
I don't think they could read that one. Let's have a look. Let's have
This
a go.
person.
Let's have a go. Just try and say the first name.
Nishal.
Nishal. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. MCFC Bama.
MCFC Bama. Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Ian Lawson. Thanks for subscribing.
We can't go through everyone, but
We
we're
can't
going
go for any. We'll do a few more.
Griffin 14.
Griffin 14.
Because Griffin wasn't. Because Griffin was taken.
Was it taken, was it?
Probably.
This one's an interesting name.
Did you have to pull that one?
XC Drac Magia.
No, let me do it.
You're
EXC Drac Magia. Sorry.
Saz.
2.
Yes.
The one that has a 2. I don't think any.
I think people are unsubscribing now because we're really insulting them by how we don't say their names.
Very sorry. Charles Fagerquist, I hope.
Fagerquist, yes. How about this one?
Bumsy Bean.
Bumpsy Bean, right? Okay, right. I don't think that's how that says. And the problem we have now as well, actually, I'll just sort of digress.
Ken
Singh, yes.
Oh, yes.
So you've all got.
So I know you can sing.
No, that's his surname.
No, but can sing.
Trooper 427SS. This has actually been quite a challenge because YouTube used to come up with your names. Now it all comes up with your handles, and a lot of you have a different handle. So that is an @ whatever. And so your handle is different to your name, and it's been quite difficult to get to your names.
Mine is a Sanrio character called My Sweet Piano, who is a pink sheep. I don't think anyone knows what that is, so Google My Sweet Piano.
I don't think they will.
Google My Sweet Piano. Sydney Garcia Hamida.
Hello, Sydney. Elmer. Hello.
There's a big
Thanks for watching. Right, let's do one more each.
Alan UK.
Alan UK.
Alan.
How you doing, Alan?
Alan.
We like Alan, don't we? We know an alpaca called Alan. Oh, look what I've got.
Brian.
The best of them all. Brian. Brian, you don't know the joke about Brian, but I call everything Brian. Every time Eva wants to name something, I always say we should call it Brian. And you, sir, have got the best name. So I've saved the best till last. You pick your last one?
I don't want to pick the last one. I want to do 15.
You can't do 15 more. We haven't got time.
Well, I can do 2 more.
Do 2 more then. You got a difficult one.
Ending in burger.
It's Alvar.
Alvar
Gonzalez Burger. Hello, Alvar.
I like your last name.
I'm guessing he's perhaps South American, something like that.
Well,
Oh.
Dr. Munn.
Dr. Doctorman.
What I need to know is your actual last name Dr. Mun?
Doctorman. Well, I don't know. Maybe they'll answer in the comments if that's their real name.
Well,
So look, thank you very much for all tuning in. Thank you for entering the competition. Commiserations to everybody who didn't win. However, there are going to be more giveaways as I get them. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and remember, if you didn't enter this competition, what do you have to learn from that? It has to be that you've got to watch all my videos till the end, because that's what the algorithm really needs to grow the channel. So all of your support is welcome, and the watch time is really important. So see you soon.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, you're not done? You got one thing to say, okay? Never mind.
No. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit that bell button.
Hit that bell button and comment below.
And hit the bell button. Ding.
See you soon. Bye for now.
Bye. One take.